Hello there, I'm Paul Langcaster, turning back the clock once again 20 years to 1999, looking back at some great memories from the Swindon Cable Christmas Show that I last presented back then with my friend and former colleague Ashley Heath, a 5-hour extravaganza from the studios at Swindon Cable. And back then, of course, 20 years ago, we were fast approaching a new millennium. Well, back then we were also looking at some of the clips from former Christmas shows, and in this clip we're going to do just that. It's the turn of the Wanborough handbell ringers. Here they are with "'Tis the Season to be Jolly." Of course it is. Wonderful. That's the Wanborough handbell ringers performing specially for us in the Swindon Cable Christmas Show. And if you liked that, please do remember to like, comment or share, and keep an eye out for more clips coming soon. But for now, from me, a very Merry Christmas.